Let's look at the ideal gas law simulation on the Explore Learning website. Launch the gizmo by pressing this button, and after a moment you will see this simulation. Here is a tank of gas. In this case, it is hydrogen gas. You could change it to different gases like helium and nitrogen, but for our example, we leave it in hydrogen. There are two dependent variables, volume and pressure. If you choose volume as the dependent variable, then the independent variable will be pressure. You can change pressure in container by using this green slider. This independent variable, sometimes called the manipulating variable, is for you to change, and the corresponding variable, the responding variable, or the dependent variable, will be shown on the side here. Alternatively, you could change the dependent variable to pressure, and then the independent variable or the manipulated variable would be the volume. Use this orange slider here to change the volume of the container. At each setting, you can press this record button and the current parameters will be recorded. This is shown in the table here. Notice the temperature is in kelvins, the volume is in liters, and the pressure is in atmosphere, ATM. If you were to change the volume to, let's say, smaller volume to, let's say, 25 liters and press record again, the table updates with a second reading. So we'll notice here that the moles of gas did not change, the temperature did not change, the volume now went down, and the pressure here went up. We can repeat this change, let's say to 20 liters, and click on record, and another row will appear on your data table. Then we can change it some more to, let's say, 15 liters, and click on record. You'll see there's now 4 rows of data, and then more importantly, if you click on graph, you'll see, well, a graph, a line graph of your data point. You can click on this plus button to zoom in or negative button to zoom out. And you can also drag your data points left, right, and then you can take a screenshot by clicking on the button to include in your assignment. Please remember to follow the instructions in your assignment, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below.